This topic is prepared by Abibur Rahman. In this topic we have discussed sustainable development, that how can we achieve sustainable developments. So let's start the topic. I am PhD scholar in University of Balochistan, Department of Chemistry. So first we define sustainable development. That what is sustainable development? Sustainable development is a development that meets the needs of the present without empowering the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. Or it can also be defined in another way, that improvement of lifestyles and well-beings, preserving natural resources and ecosystems, means do not disturbing our environment but preserving the lifestyles. Let's see what is the aim of the topic. So the aim of the topic is maximizing the probability of achieving sustainable development and minimizing the chances of environmental degradation in our environment. How can we attain sustainable environment? So sustainable environment can be achieved by using different sources like solar energy, wind energy, crop rotation, hydroelectric power, biomass energy, and some other sources can be used to sustain the energy and to sustain the environment of the Earth atmosphere. So we will discuss these points one by one. First of all, there is solar energy. Solar power is a renewable source that we can generate it after using. So sunlight is already or readily available, and converting its energy will not deplete the amount of sunlight that reaches the earth. Storage batteries can then store that sunlight to use it in later. It does not pollute the earth in any way, and converting a residential home to run practically or partially or completely on solar power is not harder. Second is wind energy. Wind energy is fueled by the wind, so it is again a clean source of energy. Wind energy does not pollute air like other power sources, like using fossil fuels such as coal and natural gas that pollute our environment, and these are the cause of greenhouse effects and global warming. But wind turbines do not produce any atmospheric emission that can cause acid rain due to deposition of sulfuric acid and nitric acid in environment, or other greenhouse gases like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbons. Wind energy is the lowest priced renewable energy technique that can be used because it costs 4 and 6 cents per kilowatt. After that, crop rotation can also sustain our environment. Crop rotation can help to maintain the balance of nitrogen. It also improves the soil structure and reduces soil erosion. Soil erosion, that removal of the Earth's layer that contains the nutrients in that. And crop rotation also improves the pest and disease control. It reduces the greenhouse gases emission like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbons, nitrogen oxides, and it also reduces water pollution. Then there is hydroelectric power. Hydroelectricity is also a renewable energy source. Hydroelectricity makes it feasible to utilize other renewable sources. Hydroelectricity promotes guaranteed energy and price stability because water is always available. Hydroelectricity helps fight climate changes also. Hydroelectricity improves the air we breathe in.